In this video specifically for a purpose. We have a requirement around 250 numbers of special cranes, which are idea which we are working on. We have already received a letter of intent from Tata Group for their 4 mines. Now, if you can make a successful product within a budgeted price, the same thing will also be deployed in Jindal Steel and Power and JSW Limited. So I want like you just go through what I am saying and the presentation I'll explain you. It will take a little time, but my idea is please go through the whole presentation. Then things will be clear. First of all, I'll come to the basic material. See, this is the basic operation. Here you see these are conveyor belts. These are conveyor belts basically where material is moving. This part. Metal is moving somewhere, something here. Okay. And we have whenever this conveyor belt is moving, there is lot of raw material which is passing on. Okay, it may be a fine dust. Okay, I'll just write FD, fine dust. It may be rocks and various type things. Okay, this is another inverted picture where this is the basically the conveyor belt, and somewhere here the crane will be installed. Okay, where it can remove the rock and keep it aside here. I'll show you one more picture. This is even better. So see, we have to design a gantry crane where this will be the area where the foothold will be there, and it will rise something like this, and it will have an arm, and there will be a grab bucket which will grab the stone and then come again here or this part and drop the material here. Okay, so this is the whole idea. The stones are something like this. This is a typical large stone which we call the maximum weight which can be is 100 kilos. Okay, 100 kilos will be the stone size which has to be removed from this conveyor belt. This is basically a wastage which I am showing. So this sort of conveyor stone has to be removed, and this is how the conveyor is working. So whenever the conveyor is working, you are having this mud, and these are the stones. Okay, these are the stones. So this is the idea. Now, how to develop the crane, I will tell you. See, this is a basic picture of a crane which we have made for you. Here in this crane, you see there is wheels so that we can move this whole thing forward. And I'll just make it a little more clearer. Yeah, this is better. And then there is this boom arm. Okay, this boom arm is basically hydraulic control, and we can increase or decrease it as a per our increase it or decrease it as per our requirement. There will be a hydraulic tank here. Okay, there will be a hydraulic tank here, and this is the whole thing. The most basic design change what we have to do is what we want is here. Here in this part, we want the wheels to be placed. We want the wheels to be placed here on this part. So the wheel will be here. Similarly, there will be another wheel which will be placed here. Okay, and this additional part which you see, okay, this additional part which you see, this will be screw and bolt system. There will be a screw, there will be a bolt. Okay, there will be a screw and bolt system. There will be a screw which will be here, and there will be a bolt. We can attach it in front, or as well as we can attach it from here and increase the length. Okay, so there are cases, many cases where I have to attach the bolt here. Then there may be cases where I will attach it outside. So this will be the whole thing. So the design will be like that. The wheel will be there. We will put four wheels here. We will put four wheels here. Here will be a wheel. There will be here, and there will be nut bolt system. And again, wheel will be here also. So whenever we are attaching the nut bolt, there will be one part here which can open, and we can fix it here also. This is the whole system. Now you get on to the designing part. Also, I don't know if it is possible or not. Can we make this adjustable? This whole gantry area